Imagine a world where words dance on paper, where feelings unfurl through the stroke of a pen, and where love blooms in the heart of the reader. Welcome to the enchanting world of Loveable Lila, a poetic cartoon character who has mastered the lost art of expressing love through letters. Meet Loveable Lila, our charming protagonist. She's not your everyday cartoon character. Lila is a poetess at heart, armed with a quill, a pot of ink, and a never-ending reservoir of emotions. She has this unique talent of weaving words into heart-tugging messages of love. Her letters are not just pieces of paper, but timeless memories etched in ink. Picture this. It's a sunlit Sunday morning. Lila sits by her window, the warm rays casting an ethereal glow on her face. There's a soft rustle of leaves outside, and in her heart, a tender feeling stirs. With a thoughtful smile, Lila dips her quill into the ink pot and begins to pen a love letter. It's filled with sweet nothings and heartfelt confessions, punctuated with poetic verses that echo the rhythm of her heart. Now, imagine a different scenario. It's a rainy evening. The pitter-patter of raindrops on the window pane matches the rhythm of Lila's racing heart. She's penning another letter, this time infused with longing and a touch of melancholy. Each word is a raindrop, each sentence a thunderclap painting a vivid picture of longing and love. Loveable Lila's world is a testament to the power of words, to the magic they weave when penned down with love. But why does Lila write love letters? Because she believes in the beauty of expressing love in its raw, unfiltered form. She finds joy in crafting delicate sentences that capture the essence of her feelings. She cherishes the anticipation of waiting for a reply, the thrill of holding a piece of someone's heart in her hands. But most importantly, Lila writes love letters because she wants to remind us of the forgotten charm of handwritten letters. She wants to inspire us to pick up a pen and pour our hearts out on paper, to make us realize that in an era of instant messaging, a love letter holds the power to make someone feel truly special. So why not pick up a pen and let your feelings take the form of words? Why not craft a letter that could become a cherished memory for someone? Remember, you don't need to be a poet like Loveable Lila. All you need is love in your heart and a pen in your hand. In the enchanting world of Loveable Lila, love letters are not a thing of the past, but a timeless expression of love. They are a testament to the beauty of words, the power of feelings, and the magic of love. So let Lila inspire you. Let her world of love letters rekindle the romantic in you. And who knows, you might just end up writing your own love story, one letter at a time.